using AI in minutes with these 8 steps, with zero coding knowledge. Log into Chatgpt AI, then give prompt idea to generate the app script. Once the script is generated, click play button to preview the app. Then download the app file for the next step. Open tinyurl, which is given in video's description. Once you log in into tinyhost account, you find tab. Click on upload file, then locate the file which. So you can change URL. Then click on Publish tab. Will pop up notifying of file upload success. Then copy the link URL, open new tab, paste it. Congratulations, you built an AI interview web-based app in just minutes without coding knowledge.